So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-pin ng mga messages sa ating WhatsApp. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating WhatsApp account or yung ating WhatsApp. And then, pagka-open guys, pumili lang kayo ng mga conversation na gusto nyong i-pin or i-tap pin yung mga messages. So, makakatulong to guys kapag meron kayong conversation na gusto nyong i-priority and lagi nyong gustong nasa top. So, ang gagawin nyo lang guys is, itong conversation na to is, ilo-long press nyo lang or hold. And then, lalabas yung ganyan. So, sa taas makikita nyo yung pin button. Tap nyo lang yung pin button. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo may pin button na yung conversation na ipinin ko sa top. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga mag-pin ng mga messages sa ating WhatsApp. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.